We are here with Dave, and he's going to teach us about concrete. Go ahead.
Dave the builder here. So we have got this big crane that lifts the concrete into place and pumps it into us because concrete is very heavy. So heavy that only your dad could probably lift it. And so it goes into place and it's wet and it gets very sticky. So we have to smooth it all out real quick. So today we're building a pool. You guys like pools? So we are building a pool with a nice deep end with a diving board. And so the cement comes, a big cement truck will come and dump the cement into, this is called a pump truck, an overhead pump truck. So it pumps it up, pumps it down, and then we have to smooth it out. That's called screeding it. So we take a board and we screed it, and then we float it, and then we finish it. And then, for extra fancy, we're gonna stamp it with a texture. So it looks like real stone. So that's what we're doing today. It's hot, but we get to work out in the outdoors and play in the mud, play with the big trucks and equipment. That's what we're doing. Any other questions?
Did I see a cement mixer come by?
Yes. Big cement truck. They mix it while they bring it.
Wow. And does it hook up to the other truck?
They back it right up to it and the mud comes out, pours in, and then it pumps it up here.
Wow. Well, there you have it. Thanks. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right, we are with Colton, and he is going to tell us all about this pumper truck. How awesome is this? What do you have here?
How you doing? We got a pump truck here. It's got 100 foot of reach. The concrete goes in right here. Goes all the way through the green pipe. All the way to the other end. And we got the stabilizer. This is so it doesn't flip over. Alright, we got all the hoses here. Put these on. Operated right here. You got the controls.
Nice. Show us how you move those.
It goes up with the main boom. You can go out. In. This right here is the main switch, turns the pump on.
Is there a horn you can blow at people when they're not listening?
That's it.
Nice. How do you like being a pump truck operator?
Oh, I love it. You want to show them inside?
Of course. Now they're pouring it in to make the steps for the pool. Well, how neat was this? We got to watch them pouring concrete to update this pool. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching. Let's finish with a word of prayer. Get your prayer hands ready. Open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, put them in your prayer hands. Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this beautiful day and all these hard workers for helping to get this pool nice and ready for this summer. Bless the work of their hands. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day and let your light shine for Jesus.